And the first time I ever rode his bike, and I've never driven anybody's bike before, so this is a first to me. And I was taking this thing like nothing. What's going on, guys? It's Camilo the Barber here.
What up?
G the Barber. Doing another video today on YouTube. We're actually rode today for a little ride up Route 3 into 46 and then to 23 and turned around. We did about, I would say like 65 to 70 miles, about that. And we rode there, and then on our way back we actually switched bikes. And what a difference in bikes, because this is a 2019 Street Glide CVO, and then we got my buddy G's 2018.
Yeah, 2018 Road King Special.
Road King Special
With a fairing. So
with a fairing, guys. This is something different. If you guys never tried out Road King with a fairing, there you go.
it's actually a different ride.
Where'd you get that fairing from, for people could check it, see it?
What was it? Vector Fairings. Fairing.com, something like that. Vector Fairings.
Okay, we'll put it on the link on the bottom so you can check it out. And tell me a little bit about your bike. See what we got going on.
Well, it's a 2018 Road King Special with Vector Fairing. It has two 6x9 speakers with the Rockford Frostgate PMX2. Then I have two speaker pods, and I have two saddlebag speakers, but they're not really connected right now. But the music's pretty loud. I have a 107 engine with the Screaming Eagle. I believe that's the ventilator intake. And you know, I love the bike. It's fast. It's just not torquey. But I'm probably gonna trade it in for a Road Glide Limited.
Get a new one, huh?
Yeah, but I love my bike. I love this bike. I love it. I wish I could keep both of them.
Nice.
This will be my everyday rider if I could, but I'm not rich, so.
Okay. So this is bike. So, and then like I said, we switched bikes on our way back, and man, what a difference it is. I mean, his bike is so light compared to my CVO. I was just taking turns with this thing, and
he looked more comfortable on my bike than he does on his bike.
Yes,
it's kind of crazy.
Yeah,
because he's never ridden my bike.
And the first time I ever rode his bike, and I've never driven anybody's bike before, so this is a first to me. And I was taking this thing like nothing. I mean, what size are 8 arms are those?
Those are 14.
From where?
Those are KST Custom.
Yeah, KST Custom. I got the same bars, but his are 14s, mine are 12s. But like I said, I felt really comfortable with his bike. It was it's a 107 compared to 117 is actually a big difference in engine.
Yeah,
I mean,
the torque is definitely the biggest difference in my opinion. When I rode, and my
he's
bike,
gonna give you a review on how he rode my bike compared to his.
The difference to me is my bike, I feel like I'm lower, and obviously my apes are a little higher, so I don't know, I like my bike more comfortability, but his bike torquiness and the engine work is what I want on my next bike, or I would get on this bike.
Right.
But the comfortability, I love the comfortability of my bike compared to this one. Yeah. But this one just feels like you're higher. It's not really a bad, I wasn't uncomfortable, it was just different. It feels like you're higher, and your hands are lower, I guess.
And this one got the hammock seat from Harley.
Oh, comfortable. Amazing
very comfortable.
Seat.
Very comfortable. And also we got the Rey Backrest as well. We got the, what else? Custom Dynamics taillights with the Ciro back blades. Turn on the back blades so you can see how it looks. Get a little something how it looks. There you go.
Little turn action.
Yep. Pretty good. Yep. And yeah, I mean, like I said, it's definitely two different bikes. I mean, from far away, they look the same. Maybe a little different extras, but it definitely is a different ride for sure. I've only had this bike since 2000. Well, I bought it August 2019, and
7 months.
I got about 7,000 miles, just reaching 7,000 miles right now. And you got what?
I had this bike maybe 14 months, 15 months, and I have.
How many miles you got right now?
16,907, almost 17,000 miles.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Talk about riding right there. Yep. And then I also got the what is it? I think it's from Ciro.
Oh, the headlight.
Yeah, the headlight thing with the halo ring as well. We also got from Harley those wind reflectors,
which help big time. Right?
Yeah, you don't feel the difference, right?
Yeah,
like on the bottom.
Yeah, the wind doesn't come up from the top.
Yep.
From the bottom.
Yep. And then turn it around over here so you guys can see. This is what makes it actually this machine work, man. This we got the Vance and Hines headers, and also comes with the CFR's pipes.
I think I'm gonna get those pipes.
Yo, those pipes are ridiculous. Like, you hear it when I ride.
Yeah.
You hear it when I ride.
I heard you coming.
Yeah, man, those pipes, man. I'm telling you guys, this is it's not just because I have them. I mean, they sound deep, and when you put the headers, it actually makes a bigger difference in more deepness actually.
Yeah. And it's only gonna get better.
Yeah, and it's only like what? Not even. Did I have this for the Florida trip?
No.
Oh yes, I did.
The CFRs.
The CFRs, yeah, not the headers. But so then I only put like probably 3,000 miles just in the pipes, just the slip-ons, no headers. But it's good. We had a good time, good ride. Oh, and I want to show you the factory 47s. These are the saddlebag crash guards, right? Something like that. Yeah.
Saddlebag crash guards.
By factory 47. It's pretty good. All right. And then G actually customized his bike. He did a lot of work to it. So it's pretty good as well. Damn, I wish I could turn the camera around, but I don't know how. But I'm just doing as best I can. Oh, pipes you got right now?
I got neighbor hater slip-ons with the stock headers.
Neighbor haters.
And they sound a lot better. The stock headers, the more miles you put onto them, I guess the more the Cadillac converter, whatever, the cat fucking gets a little thinner and they sound deeper the more you ride with the stock headers.
Mm-hmm.
Because my bike sounds totally different than it did a year ago.
Right, when they're brand new, they got to break it in. That's like mine. I only had those for a little bit of miles. You know what I mean? So wait till they break in. It's probably going to sound even deeper.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So, all right, guys, a little short video so you can see what it looks like. We're here in Secaucus, New Jersey, Hudson County.
I've never been here. This is nice.
Sunset. I was gonna ask you, have you ever been here?
I've never been here.
It's like I always come here to like just chill. I take pictures on my bike.
Looks like a bigger version of Trolley Park.
Yeah, and they have the boat docking over there too as well. So.
That's the Hackensack right there.
Yep, right behind us. All right, guys. Any questions, comments below? Just do it right down at the bottom. I'll post some links of the things that we have from our bikes, and like and share and subscribe. All right. Follow us on Instagram, Camilo the Barber, and
G the Barber.
Will also be on the link below. Follow us on Instagram. We always post videos, and every week I'm going to try to do about 2 to 3 videos a week. All right. Take care, guys. Peace.